The Porsche 911, a name synonymous with automotive excellence, a byword for performance and style. Since its debut in 1963, the 911 has captivated generations of enthusiasts, securing its place in the pantheon of automotive legends. This is more than just a car, it's a statement, an embodiment of engineering prowess and driving purity. Over the decades, the 911 has seen countless iterations, each building upon the success of its predecessors, constantly evolving yet always staying true to its core DNA. This enduring appeal is a testament to the genius of its original design and the dedication of Porsche engineers to constantly refine and improve upon an already winning formula. The 911 is a car that speaks to the soul, igniting a passion in those fortunate enough to experience its capabilities firsthand. It's a car that transcends age, background, and driving experience. The allure of the 911 is universal. Instantly recognizable, the Porsche 911 silhouette is iconic. That sloping roofline, the sculpted haunches, the compact dimensions, it's a masterclass in automotive design. It's a shape that has remained remarkably consistent over the decades, yet it never feels dated. Porsche has managed to evolve the design subtly, keeping it fresh and contemporary, while retaining the classic elements that define the 911's identity. The 911's design is more than just aesthetics, it's functional. The rear engine layout, while unconventional, contributes to the car's unique handling characteristics, giving it its legendary balance and poise. The sloping roofline improves aerodynamics, while the wide rear track provides exceptional grip and stability. Every curve, every crease on the 911's body serves a purpose, honed through countless hours of wind tunnel testing and track development. This marriage of form and function is what sets the 911 apart, making it a true driver's car that's as beautiful to look at as it is to drive. The heart of any sports car is its engine, and the Porsche 911 doesn't disappoint. The 911's rear-mounted flat-six engine is a masterpiece of German engineering, renowned for its smooth power delivery, intoxicating exhaust note, and bulletproof reliability. Depending on the model, you'll find a range of power outputs from the base Carrera's respectable 379 horsepower to the mind-bending 700 horsepower of the track-focused GT2 RS. This translates to blistering performance on the road. The 911 Turbo S, for example, can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a scarcely believable 2.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest accelerating cars on the planet. But the 911's performance is about more than just straight-line speed. Its advanced suspension, precise steering, and powerful brakes make it a joy to drive on winding roads, where it carves through corners with surgical precision. Getting behind the wheel of a Porsche 911 is an experience unlike any other. It's a car that connects with the driver on a visceral level, responding to every input with immediacy and precision. The steering is perfectly weighted, providing excellent feedback from the road, allowing you to place the car exactly where you want it. The 911's handling is legendary. It feels planted through corners, with minimal body roll and an almost telepathic connection between the driver and the car. But it's not all about outright speed and handling. Despite its performance credentials, the 911 is surprisingly comfortable and refined. The interior is a masterpiece of ergonomic design, with supportive seats, high-quality materials, and all the controls within easy reach. It's a car that you could happily drive every day, whether you're carving up canyon roads or cruising on the highway. Section 5. Rivals and Comparisons. In the world of high-performance sports cars, the Porsche 911 sits at the top table, but it's not without competition. Rivals like the Audi R8, the Mercedes-AMG GT, and the Chevrolet Corvette offer their own unique blend of performance, style, and technology. The Audi R8, for example, boasts stunning looks and a naturally aspirated V10 engine that's as thrilling to listen to as it is to drive. The Mercedes-AMG GT, on the other hand, offers a more luxurious take on the sports car formula with a sumptuous interior and a powerful V8 engine. And then there's the Chevrolet Corvette, a perennial American icon that offers incredible performance at a more accessible price point. Each of these cars has its own strengths and weaknesses, but the Porsche 911 remains the benchmark, the car that all others are measured against. Section 6. A legacy forged in performance. The Porsche 911's legacy is inextricably linked to motorsport. From the very beginning, The 911 has been a dominant force on racetracks around the world, racking up countless victories and championships. The 911's success in motorsport has not only cemented its place in automotive history, but has also driven the development of new technologies and innovations that have trickled down to the road cars. The 911's motorsport pedigree is evident in every aspect of its design, from its lightweight construction to its advanced aerodynamics. It's a car that was born to be driven hard, and its limits are far beyond what most drivers will ever experience. Section 7. Owning a piece of history. Owning a Porsche. 911 is more than just owning a car, it's owning a piece of automotive history. It's a statement of your appreciation for fine engineering, timeless design, and pure driving pleasure. But the 911 is not a car for everyone. It's a car for those who understand and appreciate the finer things in life, for those who demand the very best from their machines. It's a car that will put a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel, a car that you'll cherish for years to come. Section 8. The evolution of an icon. The Porsche 911 has been in continuous production for over half a century, and in that time it has evolved significantly. From the early air-cooled models to the latest turbocharged marvels, the 911 has always stayed true to its roots while embracing new technologies and innovations. Porsche has never been afraid to push the boundaries of what's possible with the 911, constantly refining and improving upon an already winning formula. And with each new generation, the 911 gets better, faster, and more technologically advanced. Section 9. The Porsche 911, forever young. The Porsche 911 is a rare breed, a car that has transcended its status as a mere automobile to become a true icon. It's a car that has captured the hearts and minds of generations of enthusiasts, and it shows no signs of slowing down. With its timeless design, thrilling performance, and unmatched driving experience, the Porsche 911 is a car that will continue to excite and inspire for many years to come. It's a car that embodies the very essence of what a sports car should be: fast, fun to drive, and undeniably cool. The Porsche 911 is more than just a car, it's a legend. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest sports cars.